Okay, welcome to the You Know What show. I'm B, this is Kat, Brenda, and Jenny. And we're here to talk about how this bitch, Brenda, thought Kat was cute. Okay, so, Jenny?
I was there. She fucking said it. She was like, I think she's cute. And I was like, oh hell no, bitch. You see this bitch? Tell me, does that look cute to you?
She's fucking adorable. Look at that.
Fuck no. Fuck no. You are not gonna be in a fucking relationship with me when you're with that bitch over there. Oh fuck no. What's up, Kat? What's up, bitch? No. Fuck you. Can't even look straight at me.
Beautiful as you. I kind of like her bow, but you have a better.
I
kind of like her bow.
You know what? It's over. Fuck you.
Don't be abusive.
I fucking hate you.
Excuse me, I want to talk for a second.
She wants to talk.
I love who I am, and I don't give a fuck, you know. You know what? I don't like you. I don't even know you.
So you know what? You can fucking
get your shit straight, bitch. And I just totally hate you, you know.
Yeah, fuck you.
Your mom fucks me in bed.
You know what?
She would never be that close, you hound dog.
I'm a cat, bitch. Get that shit straight. Get the fuck out. This is some fucking stupid shit. I don't understand this. Hold up. What the fuck?
Take it easy, man. It's okay if you want to cry.
Oh, fuck.
Burn it! 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 Burn it!
As the host, I think I should break this up.
I think you guys are raping each other.
Brenda! Let's go! Burn it! Burn it! Burn it! Burn it! Burn it! Burn it! Burn it!
Alright, come here.
What happened to her face?
You ripped her face off.
Hang on. Leave it.
So, hey, over here. Answer to me. So now that Kat's gone. Kat is gone. I want to say, Jenny.
Fuck you.
No, take me back. Take me back. Take me back. Will you take me back?
I'll never take you back, you cat-loving bitch. I'll take you back.
You take me back. What, son? Dude.
Oh, no. Fuck this. You're supposed to follow me backstage.
Oh.
That bitch took you from the restroom.
Oh, hell no. You better lock this shit before I count to 10. 1, 2,
10 already, man. Open the damn door. Burn it.
Burn it! Burn it! Burn it! Burn it! Burn it!
Out the door. We're waiting.
I know this is hard for you, but it's okay.
You're in a safe place.
You're in a safe place.
No one will hurt you. Just come out. We'll all handle this responsibly.
What the fuck?
Shut the fuck up. I'm trying to come out.
We have Rat Face out here for you.
It's all okay. Come and get a cookie. Come on. You want a cookie?
She wants some.
Get the fuck out of there, man.
Sheesh. We got Leo Lion for you.
You wanna know what scary movie?
We got Letty out. Oh, fuck.